All right, we're looking at the markets right now, which are trading up slightly, at least on the Dow. S&P off a little bit, half a point there. NASDAQ trading a little bit lower down. The worst of the group, 1%. You know, that said, basically, the markets do have reasons to be concerned. I mean, you look at all the turmoil going on in D.C. right now, all that inside baseball, the New York Times op-ed, anonymous one today, and you think that, well, maybe investors would be a little bit more worried, but they're not. They're not, because apparently this is just par for the course these days. You've got drama in Washington, but you know what they care about? They care about the drama in the economy. And so far, all that drama is good stuff. We got a big jobs report tomorrow, many of which thus far have been quite robust. This one is expected to show a jobless rate of 3.8%, 191,000 jobs being added to the economy in the month of August. That's the expectation right now. Are we going to get it? Joining me here on set, Bullseye Brief author and founder Adam Johnson, also Kingsview Asset Management CIO Scott Martin. So good to see you both. You've been very bullish all along, Adam. Are you believing that this is going to be at least 191,000 tomorrow and a lower unemployment rate?
Yes, and I think we accelerate from here. And Trish, it's the same story you and I have been talking about now for over a year, and that is the two E's of earnings and employment. The most number of Americans working ever, making the highest gross adjusted income ever, and they're spending it, and that's what's driving corporate earnings, Trish. And if you look at the Dow, it finally is back up to the old highs of January. The small caps and the NASDAQ already blew through their old highs several months ago. So it's a great American story. There's a little rotation as people sell some of the tech and buy industrials, but I'm very good with it, and employment looks great.
Scott Martin, you also have been very bullish. Are you of that same school of thought right now?
Yeah, not turning bearish other than the Chicago Bears playing on Sunday here. But I'll tell you what's interesting is, you know, Trish, Adam's right. You know, there are a lot of good tailwinds in this economy. I think we're going to get about 170,000 tomorrow. Average hourly earnings, though, to his point, have started to tick up again. I think we're going to get near 3% year over year, as we're going to see from the number tomorrow. That's very good. And you guys, you know, the fun part about the market is it can be unpredictable. It can be off its medication on times. And what that means is you see the rotations that we spoke of, right? You see this rotation from these crazy growth tech stocks into value, into industrials, things like that for some period of time, consumer staples, utilities today. But those have not lasted. And I agree with Adam. You know, as long as the economic data hangs in there, GDP, we just saw, you know, revised at 4.2%. This quarter, our research says that's going to be over 3.5% for Q3. Those numbers continue to support growth stocks in this environment, and we're keeping on buying them.
All right. What about the concerns about trade right now, Adam? Potential for $200 billion in tariffs, additional tariffs getting slapped onto Chinese goods. Yep. What does that do to people's spending power? What does that do to our economy? Can we handle it?
Well, I'll tell you what it's doing to my Alibaba today is sending it down. Some of my Chinese exposure names have really had a hard time. But I'm not worried about what's happening with the China trade because that's already priced in. We know that's happening. It's like the slowest moving train wreck we've ever seen. Canada, another story, and I'm actually optimistic there. I think that they're effectively using the leverage with Mexico to, one way or another, force Canada in. And here's a stat for you, Trish. A lot of people don't realize that the average auto part goes back and forth across various borders 7 times before it's ultimately put into a car. So what you're really talking about is if you have a 25% tariff, it would be 25 times 7. That's 175%, $9,000 a car. That's not going to happen. It's too painful. It's like sequestration, if you remember that back in 2013.
Yeah.
You know, where Congress made it so painful that they couldn't do it. So I think that's why we're actually going to get a solution. I'm very bullish on Canada. I've been telling my subscribers, buy a handful of the auto suppliers. Borg Warner is one.
I agree with you, and I think ultimately it's not going to be that hard to get the Canadian thing done. And so you will have a revised NAFTA.
And by the way, Christina Freeland, the Canadian trade rep, she is very positive on a deal. She's in Washington now. She's talking about it. She thinks we're going to get a deal. I mean, if she's saying it and she's from Canada, that gives me...
Well, she wants a deal. She needs a deal. The Canadians need... We need one, too.
We all need a deal.
You know, look, I don't think anybody is starting from the position that a trade war is good. But you need, Scott, to have some arsenal, right? And our arsenal right now is our economy. And as long as we are in charge, so to speak, as the world's largest consumer of goods, then we've got a lot of power that we ought to be able to leverage.
Yeah, it's just like Walmart, which is one of the names, Trish, that we've picked up in the last few weeks that, caters to their biggest customers. You have to make sure that your biggest spenders are happy at your store. And yeah, Canada, hello, Canada, we buy 75% of your exports. Mexico, we buy about 70% of your exports. China, a big amount too. So we're the spenders, like you said, and so they have to make us somewhat happy. We have to come to, so it's a big deal, and you have to get a deal done. And that's what Adam's right about too. This data on China, we own BABA as well, Adam, so I feel your pain there. Yeah. But you're right. This is just a deal that's going to come down the road here that's going to boost a lot of these Chinese stocks that are having such a tough time. 10 cents, another one, for example. Baidu as well.
All right. We're watching all of it. Adam Scott, good to see you guys. Thank you so much.
Thanks,
we'll pray for good things on that jobs report.